Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna give this thing a test one more time. I'm sure it's gonna do fine. But I got 3 steaks in here, and I got two smaller 8-ounce just sirloin steaks. You know what, the wife and I have been on a diet, and she's wanting to, I'm down 25 pounds by the way, but she's wanting to keep it pretty lean still, and so do I. I probably should be eating a sirloin, but I need a little fat in me, guys. This is a Char-Griller steak from Porter Road, and it's about 0.8 pounds, which is roughly little over 12 ounces, I believe, if my math is right. And so I got to get a little fat in my system. They call this the poor man's ribeye. And these days, you know what's going on, FJB guys. We got to cut back a little bit on the money, but I wanted a ribeye. This is a poor man's ribeye. We're gonna give this a shot right here. We got some vegetables in there. We got a zucchini squash. We got a banana squash, and I think we got a bell pepper we're cutting up and getting that seasoned. I'm gonna get that on the grill as well. Let's get going, guys. Hey guys, we got our vegetables in here. Beautiful colors. I threw the pepper in there just mostly for color. I don't know whether it matters. Just gonna add a little olive oil. Hit them up with the coat. Move everything around. I'll be adding a little bit more here. Just a little bit more. Just enough to coat them a little bit. And I'm gonna throw in a little of this Montreal steak seasoning. I transferred it to this jar just for a little easy pouring. Give these guys a coat. For our steaks, we're going to season up with a little Lea & Perrins just as a binder. Love that Lea & Perrins on beef. Look at the difference between that Char-Griller steak and those little sirloins. Oop. And as our seasoning, I'm just going with the Porter Road All Things Roast. I believe that's their house seasoning. Or is their Butcher's Original, is what they call it. And again, just for easy pouring, I've transferred it to a little container. All 3 of these are going to be grilled the same, but I'm going to stage them a little different on the grill because you can see this Char-Griller is quite a bit thicker. Char-Griller will go on first. I want to be sure that it does got a string on it to hold it together. We're going to leave it on there for cooking. We'll turn these over and do the exact same thing. Little Lea & Perrins, little All Things Roast. I love this seasoning, guys. Link below. I'm going to lead you right to this seasoning, Porter Road. I am an affiliate, so I get a little something off of that. I believe right now they have any purchase over $125, you get free shipping. Alright guys, when this comes up to temp outside, we'll get this thing on. With our bottom grade only, guys. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna get our oven basket here from Grillaholics, link below, guys. I'm gonna do this kind of indirect for around. This fire is very hot, which I actually want a hot fire. Get these going, and we'll pull them away from the fire completely here in a little bit. I want to get these on and get a little cook going on them. Here in a few minutes, I will stick on the Char-Griller steak for a little indirect cooking as well. I might pull them direct here in just a few minutes. But for now, let's get them started. Yeah, I'm going to pull these direct just for a minute or two. Get these flipping around some. I'll use a big old spoon for that. That's alright. This is not going to be direct for very long. Ooh, it is a hot fire. Alright guys, giving these a little stir. these have been over direct heat enough to start getting some cook on. I'm gonna move our pan all the way over here, off the heat. All right, we're making room for our chuck guy to come in here and cook indirect for a little while. I will turn this, but I want to bring the internal temp up to this to about 120 before I go direct, and then we'll grill all the steaks off. For now, this is where we're going. While I'm here, I'm gonna add one little piece of mesquite wood, just to get a little smoke on it, not a whole lot. Check back in a little bit. Give these guys a toss. Yeah, they're looking good. We might have to pull them off a little bit early. We'll see. And just give this guy a flip just for some even cooking. We're still not close to the 120 yet. Alright guys, I've reached my wanted 120 internal on this chuck eye steak, and I'm going over here to go direct on it. Alright? Let's get these other guys going. About 4 minutes on each side. Oops. Alright, I'll check back in about 4 minutes. Alright, give these guys a flip. That's char right there, baby. Ooh, that's not. There we go. There we go. Get a little kiss on them. Check back in about another 4 minutes. Alright guys, let's get these things off of here. I think we're good there. We're good there. And I'm excited about this guy. Let's get inside, get my family fed over here, and we'll go inside and cut this thing and get a taste test on the chuck guy. Oh yeah, I hope this tastes as good as it looks. Alright, I'm gonna try to turn this over and see if I can't cut that string off of there. There we go. I'll cut this guy straight in half. See what we got. That's about a medium. I'm okay with medium. Plenty of juices in there. That Porter Road All Things Roast is the bomb. I just gotta tell you that. That is very good. One more piece. Now I've had chuck eye steaks before in the past. I don't think I've ever had one this thick, but I tell you what, this is delicious, and I can certainly see why they call this the poor man's ribeye. A good ribeye, 1.5 inch ribeye right now is running you about 35 bucks right now. I expect that to go up in these times. Right now, this chuck eye steak at Porter Road is around 19-20 bucks at this time. And it's well worth it, guys. I will do it again. I got one more down there. I don't think I'll get Mama to eat it, at least just yet. But it'll probably be a little bit before I have another one, because I am dieting. And for the record, I think I said it earlier, 25 pounds. I think last time I checked in was at about 13 pounds. So making progress. So guys, thanks as always. Delicious. Be sure to check down below and check out my partners. Links are below, links are provided. And guys, until next time, we'll see you on the next cook. God bless you. Bye-bye.